It's another beautiful day in July, and I thought I'd come out, and I know I need to get some water running out here, so let's do a quick look at the garden and see how it's doing. Things are looking a little thirsty. It's been pretty hot lately. The bees are still all over the herbs. Look at how much that oregano has spread. It's still covered in bees though, so I'm not pulling it yet. You can see it's got all a bunch of new growth down underneath there, underneath all the flowers. But yeah, no, the bees are still going crazy on it, so I'm still leaving it. Sage keeps putting out more flowers too, and the bees are going wild on it still. So as long as the bees are loving it, I'm loving it, and I'm leaving it. That little potato looks a little thirsty. Here's the grapes. They're finally starting to turn some color. I know they're not survival seeds, but they help me survive. Oh, not near as many grapes as we've had in the past, but that's all right. My lemon balm is looking fabulous. There's the potato I harvested, or part of it. Oh, let's look in here. I've got a couple of pumpkins going on. So I've got the one down there. I finally found a use for those masks that we never used. I'm using them to tie my pumpkins up. I got one there. Look at I got another one right there. I got another one getting started over here. Where was it? Oh, there it is, right down there. Another one. So yeah, we got 3 pumpkins so far. Doing their little thingies. Nothing down there. Letting the asparagus go crazy. Bees, they're everywhere. Look at these tomatoes. I gotta come out and get some water on these. They're falling over. They're so heavy with tomatoes. Yeah. The beans. And look at these tomatoes. These guys are just loaded. They're finally starting to turn color a little bit. But oh my gosh, I am gonna have a ton of tomatoes to deal with when they come ripe. Here's my hyssop. And it's doing really good. I need to get it transplanted for sure. Peppers. My Cal Wonder peppers. I've got little peppers all over them. It's another Cal Wonder. My 7th seed, my cucumbers. I've already made one batch of relish out of these. I don't know if there's any on this one yet. I don't see any on here yet, but this is the one I planted by seed. Down here are the ones that I've planted by starts that I started inside. And you can see they're getting some. There's another pretty big one there. And lots of little ones on there still. Lots of little babies. Gotta come in here and dig around in the leaves to make sure I haven't missed any. And then over here, same thing. A bunch of little cucumbers. There's a little bee buzzing around. There's one down there. And then here's some more of my Cal Wonder peppers. Looking a little thirsty. My banana pepper. And I guess that's it for my survival seeds. My onions never came up. I haven't planted my beets yet. So yeah, I guess that's about it. My survival seed update for the end of July, beginning of August 2025. Everything's growing. Well, this is my first potato harvest. When I went out to water, a couple of these were poking their little heads out of the ground, and so I figured I'd go ahead and pull a couple for dinner. And yeah, look at the size of this potato. I'm actually going to weigh it on my little scale here. 15 ounces, almost 1 pound. It's a pretty good sized potato, I would say. And 12 ounces. Anyway.